Don't download Guardian Capital app before watching this. If you're thinking about downloading the Guardian Capital app, pause for a moment. Most people assume it's just another investing platform, but the surprising truth is that it's tailored for clients seeking managed investment solutions, not day trading. This means it's best for investors who want professional guidance and long-term growth rather than instant trades or high-frequency strategies. Guardian Capital focuses on managed portfolios, mutual funds, and wealth management services. The app offers access to market insights, portfolio overviews, and performance tracking. However, here's where most people get it wrong. The platform does not give you granular control over individual stock selections or day-to-day trading decisions. If you're hoping to pick specific securities or trade actively, you'll be disappointed. Another important point is fees. Guardian Capital app charges management fees based on your portfolio size and investment strategy. While these fees cover professional advice and portfolio management, smaller investors may find the cost higher than expected. The value comes from the expertise and diversified portfolios, but it's essential to weigh whether this approach aligns with your investing style. The app's interface is clean and provides useful reporting tools, but it's designed for users who are already comfortable with investing terminology. Beginners may find some of the charts, metrics, and fund data overwhelming without prior knowledge of financial concepts. In conclusion, don't download Guardian Capital expecting a self-directed trading app. It's designed for those who want professional portfolio management, guided investing, and a long-term focus. If you align with this approach, it can help simplify investing and provide peace of mind. But if your goal is active trading or hands-on stock selection, you might be better off exploring platforms built for self-directed investing. Understanding the app's purpose and your own investment goals will save you time, frustration, and money.